In this video, we're gonna go down the snack aisle, show them the snack aisle. Very good. We are going to, each of us are going to close our eyes, then drag each other's hands, cross the snack aisle, pick something out. Doesn't matter how crazy, disgusting, or weird the snack is. We're gonna buy it. We won't know what it is until we get out of the store, 7-Eleven, and then we'll have to eat it. Yes.
His eyes are closed.
Hey, don't mess with my hair. Don't, please don't. Please don't.
What's your favorite flavor of gum?
Is this for you guys today?
I don't know. I don't have a favorite flavor.
Oh.
Just make some space. I'm slipping on your feet. I can feel it. What am I reading? This?
Yes.
Oh,
All right,
that
you
feels
can't.
so weird.
You can't look at it.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Turn around. This is what he got.
Ooh.
I have no idea what this is. It actually looks pretty good.
I've never had one of those.
It looks pretty good. I've seen them on commercials too.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
All right.
Turn around now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. So, video it. Close your eyes.
All right. My eyes are closed.
His eyes are closed.
It's closed.
Yes. they're
Yep,
closed.
good.
Closed. Okay, let's go. For something weird.
She probably just heard you. Nathan, over here.
Ooh.
Lead his
It
hand
doesn't
over.
have to be a bad thing.
Lead his hand over.
It can be anything.
Gotta lead his hand over.
It doesn't have to be something bad.
Ooh. You
Don't
got
open
What
it.
is it? It
Turn
feels
around.
weird.
Nathan, show the camera. Yeah, that's gonna be intricate. I've never heard of those. Seen them.
It sounds disgusting.
No, I've
Okay.
seen them like once. This is the first time I've seen them.
Where'd you put
so-
those? Here, next.
No, it's her turn, isn't it?
Where did he put
Oh yeah, we can do Cheth as well. Cheth, we can do you. Come on. Come on. Here, I'll do it to Cheth.
Like, you told me about.
Close your eyes.
There's your friend.
Here, take your glasses
No,
off.
I need my
So-
glasses.
no.
I'm blind without them.
Well, you'll be closing your eyes anyway.
You're blind without your glasses.
Yes, I
Here,
literally
close your
am.
eyes.
That's a good thing.
Close your eyes.
So she
Are
doesn't
they
even
closed?
have to close her eyes.
Here.
If I can see, if I'm close to things, I can see
Ah.
it. Today's going to be something good. I don't want to eat something disgusting. I'm ready to test time. Wait. Think that'd be something I like. Yeah.
Right there. Don't open your eyes. Pick that up.
What is
Don't open your
I
eyes.
can hit you with that.
Turn around. Turn around.
Show it to the camera.
Do you even know what this is?
I have no idea. All right.
Okay.
So now let's reveal what we got for each other.
Mama.
This is what we got for you, Nate.
What the heck?
That actually looks pretty good, not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
sure.
This is what we got
Oh,
for you.
that's what I'm eating. Okay. And this is what Cherith's eating.
Plus Mountain Dew, because you owe me Mountain Dew.
Plus a Mountain Dew, because I owe her Mountain Dew.
Yeah,
Should we all get a drink?
No, because I'm buying. Exactly.
I'm talking to you.
Here you go. All right, so as you guys saw, we just went into 7-Eleven and we got our snacks, so now we have to try them. Oh, the lighting's really bad. Here we go. This is better.
Okay.
This is better?
Much better.
Okay. Jeff?
Cherith
Mom
gets to
bites,
go
got
first.
it.
Nathan
Oh,
will go last so
dang
you
it.
guys can see his reaction. Come on,
Okay.
just try one. Just try one.
What is it? What is Mamba?
It's like a gummy, I think.
A gummy?
Like Starburst.
Oh, it's like a whole pack.
Holy
going on.
crap, that's big.
That is pretty big.
Works.
Just hurry up.
I'm trying.
Nathan, help her. Just eat it.
That's actually really good. Wow. It's actually tastes like fruity. Like
All right, it's my turn.
You're welcome.
How does it taste?
Tastes awful. Oh my goodness.
What does it taste? What does it taste like?
Tastes. I don't even. Oh.
What happened?
Oh god.
What happened?
Oh my goodness, it's so spicy. I can't. No, it's your turn, Nathan. It's your turn. Give me that camera.
Oh. Tell me when you started.
I started.
Oh. Okay. Mm. This is weird.
It looks weird. Open it. Hey, stop. Stop. You're making noise.
Jeff, come on.
You have to do... No. There's other parts to it.
What?
Yeah, you have to put juice on it. You have to put the cream on it. Stop, you're moving too much. Or either that or I'm zoomed in too much.
Okay. Jeff?
I've seen those on like commercials. I'll do it.
Sure.
Yeah. I'll do it. So you can expect.
What are the results?
You'll have to try it and see.
Dang it. I'm scared now.
Put extra on it. It'll taste better. Trust me. There you go. That's good. Good.
It looks so weird.
No, eat it. Quick.
Oh, what the heck?
I lied. It tastes the juicy stuff tastes awful.
Oh,
The little gummies. All right, eat another gummy
oh,
to wash it down.
oh, that's
Plain.
disgusting. Oh. Chad, let me have some of your Mountain Dew.
No.
Dang it.
Are you gonna try some, Cherith?
You,
No.
you have to try something.
Wait, should I just gulp this?
No. Oh, hold on. Let me put this in. It's so tangy.
I know.
Ugh.
So weird.
It's good.
Oh!
Oh no!
It's that tang. That just weird tangy flavor.
Oh, there's two more.
And there's
Oh,
one
there's
here.
yeah. Now taste it without the cream.
It tastes so much better.
It
Yeah,
doesn't
it does
taste
taste
bad.
better. I think the whatever that is, it makes it taste worse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna say, unless either of you want to try one of these,
Okay, I'm trying one.
you have to eat 3 of them.
3?
Just one, or yeah, at the same time. Because they're so small.
Wait, did you have 3 of them at one time? Is that what you did?
No, I'm get struck down by like weird spicy things at all.
It tastes kind of weird at first. And then 3, 2, 1.
Let me taste it. Hold on.
There's
Okay.
there's a
Go,
little bit
boy.
of burn.
It tastes weird, right?
Yeah.
That just dried my throat.
Oh! Oh no!
She got it faster.
We do
Get
not-
that Mountain Dew.
We do not leave our trash
Oh, it
alone.
burns!
I know, I was tempted to steal your Mountain Dew. We're throwing this in the trash.
Thanks for watching this video. Who are we sponsored by?
We're sponsored by Isla Nublar Discord, who gave us $50 to spend on this video.
Yes, what he said. I'm not
They-
going to say what he said.
Yeah, Isla Nublar Discord has given us 50 bucks to spend on our 7-Eleven meal so we could make this video. Thank you for watching this video.